How to tie a tie, the four-in-hand knot. Step 1. Starting position. Start with the back side of the tie facing away from you, wide end on right and narrow end on left. Step 2. Cross the wide end over the narrow. Cross the wide end over the narrow end to start the knot. Step 3. Bring the wide end under the narrow end and up through the neck loop. Bring the wide end under the narrow and up through the loop around your neck. Step 4. Pull the wide end down and to the right. Pull the wide end down and right for proper positioning. Step 5. Wrap the wide end around the narrow end from right to left. Wrap the wide end around the narrow end from right to left. Step 6. Bring the wide end back up through the loop around your neck. Bring the wide end up through the neck loop again. Step 7. Pull the wide end down through the knot in front. Pull the wide end down through the front knot. Step 8. Tighten the knot by holding the narrow end and sliding the knot up. Tighten the knot by sliding it up, then adjust for a comfortable fit. Summary. Now you know how to tie the four-in-hand knot. Simple, stylish, and perfect for any occasion. Thanks for watching. Practice these steps to master your tie tying skills.